We are in a challenge. We want to know if we are Indian or Dakis in this house. So, give it to me. Give it to me. Let me bite it first. This is the way we test whether we are Indian or Daki. Nah, I am Indian.
Again.
Yeah. Okay, I think
That's war.
it's not too much.
Look, Auntie, look at this.
Yeah.
Look at
Next.
Now let it bite.
Come this side. Aiden, shut the curtain, please. Naledi. Osinya nako. Ska sinya nako tu. Are you Daki or are you Indian?
India.
Right, eat. Eat the whole thing. Oh, my child. She's Indian. She's Indian.
Humongous.
Yeah?
Are you Indian or Daki or colored?
We'll find out.
All right. Bite.
Next episode. It's burning
A big piece. Bite a big piece. Bite.
piece.
Right, chew. Okay, he's Indian. Yashika,
You
are you
want?
Indian or Daki?
Our aunt also wants to join, guys.
Take Indian or Daki. Okay, she's Daki.
He's Daki.
Boo. Auntie is being tested. Auntie, are you Indian or Daki? You are Daki. Right.
Yo.
Yo.
Auntie die.
Yo, Auntie. How is it, Auntie? How is it, Auntie?
But not too much.
Ja, you are the last. You are the first number, but you are the last number. Are you Indian or Daki?
I think you can already. It's not burning too much. Fine.
He's Indian. He's Indian. Yeah. Indian or Daki?
What?
Indian or Daki? You are taking time. Uska sinya nako.
Daddy not take a big bite. That's why it is not burn.
You did take a big bite. It's a big chili.
It is.
Go, girl.
Or eat the inside.
A special note. This is a video for humor. Okay? Do not take us personally. We are not discriminating against any race. Okay? But we are Indian. Aww. Are you Daki? Are you Daki?
Everybody
Mom,
vote for
just
Shika.
cancel
Yeah,
the
she.
Oh my G. Is it fun? She's Indian! Yay!